The biggest enemy of anti-aging, okay, is the sun. I know a lot of you like the sun, but you know, you want to be an anti-aging vampire, okay? Basically, the sun is the enemy, okay? But what if you have to get out there? You know, like life has to go on, right? We have to get out there. So what do I do? What do I do to avoid the sun? Come with me and show you all my tips. Let's go, Kaja. Now, first and foremost is of course the day cream products. It must be SPF protection, full spectrum protection, okay? All the products, all the day cream and lotion that you use during the day has to come with sun protection. And what I use is the Artistry Youth Extend series. Why is it called the Youth Extend series? Because keeping the sun off your skin extends your youth, okay? And you can support my channel by buying them from the description box below in the description and then you want to put as many barriers between your bare skin and the sun as much as possible, okay? Wear a cap or a hat. You know, in Korea you have the Ajuma hat that actually goes all the way around. And then anti-UV sunglasses, okay? Just sunglasses does nothing. Anti-UV sunglasses, so important because it protects the area around your eyes, which is very, very, very weak and sensitive and gets really aged up real quick. That's how you see if someone is in their 30s or 40s by looking around the eyes, right? And then now, you know, with the COVID season, it becomes... Oh, sorry about the camera. So now with the COVID season, it becomes natural to just wear a mask, okay? This is so good. Okay, any form of protection is better than no protection. So while people wear this, okay, to protect themselves against COVID, we wear this to protect ourselves against the sun. Okay, now when you hit the street, there's always a shade side and a sun side. Always identify which side it is, okay? It's usually different in the morning and in the afternoon. So always stick to the shade side. I don't have to tell you that. But understand that even when you walk in the shade side, you're under this much sky, okay? As long as you're under the sky, you're getting the UV. So do not walk away thinking that you're safe without direct sunlight. As long as you can see, okay, you're under UV, right? So we're just trying to contain and reduce the damage as much as possible. Oh, this is Nişantaşı in Istanbul, by the way, the most posh shopping street in Istanbul. Now, if you absolutely cannot avoid being in the sun, okay, now this is the last ditch effort, okay? Put the sun behind your head. Okay, put the sun behind your head so that the sunlight hits the back of your head rather than on your face. Okay, this is not gonna help like a lot, but this is like the best you can do in the worst situation, okay? But of course, the best advice is still just stay indoors, avoid outside as much as you can. Yeah, and stay like a vampire and you're gonna stay young for a long, long time. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Annyeong.